to recover deleted files on OnePlus 15R, first we need to, of course, locate our deleted files. So usually we can find them, for example, in My Files app. In here, in the Files category, we can scroll down to find Recently Deleted. You can also go to the Photos app, and if you remove some photos and videos, you can go to Albums in here, scroll down, and then here we have Recently Deleted. And I'm going to show you in a second the third option. And generally speaking, in this case, you can, for example, open a photo and video and use this restore button, this circle with an arrow, or you can press and hold your finger to select the first file, and then you can select multiple files at once, and you can use the restore option in here. You have 30 days in order to do so. If you don't do that in 30 days, then these files are removed forever. And the third option that I mentioned is similar, but it is a different app. It is the Files app by Google. It is also a file manager, just like My Files. And in this case, to find the trash, we need to tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, and then we have the trash option in here. And there we go. In this case, it seems that this app is also working with the Photos app because we can find removed photos and videos in there as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.